Hey guys, this is Terry from TC Tech. If the torsion spring on your height adjustment for your RZT50 breaks, I want to show you a quick way to fix it. So as you can see, I've cut out about a 1 3/4 to 2 inch notch right here. I did this a while ago. I did this a couple of years ago. It has not impacted the function of this mower at all, but it did allow me to replace that torsion spring in less than 20 minutes. So once you notch this out, what that's going to allow you to do is, if you lower your height adjustment and then you pull this handle off, what you can do is you can slide your torsion spring in. You can kind of move this over into that notch so that you can slide that spring around the metal down into the position that it needs to be in. Once you've got that spring mounted where it needs to go, then you can kind of work underneath it or through this notch to just hook the other end of the spring around this bar. Once you do that, you can put your handle back on. And trust me, I did this a few years ago. This notch right here gives you easy access to that torsion spring and does not impact the performance of the mower at all.
Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.